Hey food lovers! Today, I'm gonna show you how to make the best meatball sandwich ever. We're talking about deliciously seasoned homemade meatballs, rich tomato sauce, and gooey melted provolone cheese, all nestled in a lightly toasted baguette. Let's dive in. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's warming up, grab a large bowl. Into the bowl, toss in 1 pound of ground beef, 3/4 of a cup of breadcrumbs, 1 large beaten egg, 2 minced garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley, and 2 teaspoons of dried Italian seasoning. Now get those hands dirty and mix it all up until it's well combined. Next, shape this flavorful mixture into 12 meatballs and place them in a baking dish. Pop those babies into the preheated oven and let them cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll know they're done when an instant read thermometer reads at least 160 degrees Fahrenheit in the center. While the meatballs are baking to perfection, let's prep the baguette. Slice a French baguette in half lengthwise and open it up like a book. Scoop out some of the bread from the inside to create a nice well for those meatballs to sit in. Brush the inside with a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and season with half a teaspoon of garlic powder and a pinch of salt. Place the baguette on a baking tray with the oiled sides facing up. When the meatballs have about 5 minutes left, slip the baguette into the oven and let it get lightly toasted. Meanwhile, warm up a 14-ounce jar of spaghetti sauce in a saucepan over medium heat. Alright, meatballs are done, baguette is toasted, now it's time to assemble. Place the meatballs in the well of the baguette, pour that warm spaghetti sauce all over, and top with 4 slices of provolone cheese. Pop the assembled sandwich back in the oven just until the cheese melts and gets all bubbly and irresistible. And there you have it, the best meatball sandwich ever. Perfectly seasoned meatballs, rich tomato sauce, and melty provolone cheese, all in a crisp, garlicky baguette. You could enjoy this hearty sub on its own or pair it with a light Caesar salad or your favorite side salad. Give this recipe a try and I guarantee it'll become a favorite in your household. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. See you next time.